Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss cosine similarity, which is widely used in machine learning and data science domain to find out the similarity between two datasets. Okay, now we have seen the correlation coefficient standard formula also, which is nothing but summation over I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar, where y bar and x bar are respective mean, and in the denominator part is root over of summation over I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square multiplied by summation over I equal to 1 to n yi minus y bar whole square, right? Now this correlation we have seen the MATLAB implementation also. Cosine similarity, this topic I thought to cover simultaneously with correlation, because this is also used to measure similarity between two datasets. Okay, now to understand this, just you need to recall the concept of vector, whatever you have studied in your class 11 physics course. In the beginning we have studied vector module, right? And there we have seen this particular powerful formula: cos theta equal to a vector dot b vector by mod of a vector multiplied by mod of b vector. Okay, this is nothing but angle between two vector, a vector and b vector. So this is basically central formula for cosine similarity. The formula is very simple. Just you calculate cos theta using this. Suppose my a vector is 3205. Okay, like in class 11 we have seen, suppose 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 0 k cap. Like that, here you consider this also one vector. Okay, but the dimension is changed. Okay, a vector is this one, b vector is this one. Now you calculate the cos theta. That is nothing but a vector dot b vector is what? That is nothing but multiply element by element, 3 into 1, 2 into 0, 0 into 0 and 5 into 0. That's what I have written here, and add all of them, right? And then in the denominator, mod of a vector multiplied by mod of b vector. This is mod of a vector is nothing but what? Magnitude part, that is square root of all the elements, and here also mod of b vector is square root of all the elements. If you calculate using calculator or manually, you will be getting cos theta as 0.4867. Okay, so in terms of mathematical expression, we can say cos theta expression is summation over I equal to 1 to n xi yi, which is nothing but dot product of x and y vector, by square root of summation over I equal to 1 to n xi square, square root multiplied by square root of summation over I equal to n yi square. What is the significance of this? I am going to discuss in my next video. In this video, what we have seen till now, the fundamental formula for cosine similarity. So this is called cosine similarity formula. Okay, now you might think, what is the relationship if you compare with respect to our normal correlation coefficient, which is this formula we have seen earlier also. So you can clearly see these two formulas are quite similar. Just the difference is, previously in calculating correlation coefficient we have subtracted mean from our data set in both numerator and denominator, but here in this particular cosine similarity we are not doing that. So basically, if our mean changes in our data, then although correlation coefficient will remain unchanged, but our cosine similarity factor will change. Okay, that is one fundamental difference. And in another way we can say, if for our dataset mean is 0, then in that case cosine similarity and correlation coefficient will be giving us same result, because we can conclude that if x bar and y bar are 0, then these two formulas are same only, right? Now this intuition we are going to visualize in MATLAB using programming concept. Okay, so here let me clear this first command window. CLC clear all close all warning off, as we generally write. Then I have taken these two vector x and y, then calculating the cosine similarity. Simple formula. The numerator part, see, summation over I equal to 1 to n xi yi. So that is nothing but x dot star y and then sum function for summation. For denominator, square root of summation of x square multiplied by square root of summation over y square. That is nothing but mod of x multiplied by mod of y, and then numerator by denominator, as simple as that. So control A, select all part and perform evaluate selection, and if you just check the cosine similarity factor for our this dataset, which you will be getting 0.4867, right? So this is what our cosine similarity calculation in MATLAB without using any built-in function, just simply using mathematical formula, just we have put in terms of coding. Okay.